Welcome to our channel. Before we begin, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest solutions for Microsoft Power BI and Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Now let's explore the Finance app, developed by Shreeji SoftInfo Consultancy LLP. The Finance app is a comprehensive financial analytics solution built on Microsoft Power BI and seamlessly integrated with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Designed for finance professionals, accountants, business owners, CFOs, and executives, the application transforms complex financial data into meaningful business insights through interactive dashboards and detailed financial statements. Instead of spending hours preparing spreadsheets and manual reports, you can instantly analyze their organization's financial performance with accurate, real-time information, enabling faster and more confident decision-making. This is the Finance dashboard, the central landing page of the application. At the top of the dashboard, you can view your company name and reporting date at the right corner, ensuring that you're always analyzing the correct financial data. The dashboard is divided into 3 key financial sections, giving management a complete overview of the organization's financial performance. The balance sheet summary provides a snapshot of the company's financial position by displaying total assets, total liabilities, total equity, debt-to-equity ratio, and asset coverage ratio. These KPIs help management quickly evaluate the organization's financial strength, solvency, and capital structure. The profit and loss summary highlights the organization's profitability by presenting total revenue, cost of goods sold, total expenses, net profit, and expense ratio. These metrics help finance teams understand revenue generation, cost management, and overall business profitability at a glance. The cash flow summary provides an overview of how cash moves throughout the organization by displaying operating cash flow, investing cash flow, financing cash flow, net cash flow, and cash flow growth. This allows management to monitor liquidity, evaluate cash generation, and understand the organization's ability to fund operations and future growth. Together, these 3 summaries provide executives with an instant overview of the company's financial health without navigating through multiple reports. At the bottom of the dashboard, the quick navigation section enables users to open detailed financial reports with a single click. Let's begin with the balance sheet report. This report provides a complete view of the organization's financial position through interactive visualizations and detailed financial statements. The report includes balance sheet composition and financial position trend analysis with interactive date filtering. You can drill down from summarized balances into detailed account-level information, making it easy to investigate account movements and identify financial variances. Trend analysis helps finance teams compare balances across different reporting periods, enabling better financial planning and performance evaluation. At the bottom of the report, intelligent insight cards automatically summarize important financial indicators, including balance sheet health, asset growth, liability changes, equity movement, and key financial ratios. These insights allow executives to understand the organization's financial condition without manually reviewing every visual. The detailed balance sheet provides a comprehensive breakdown of assets, liabilities, and equity across different account groups, giving complete visibility into the organization's resources, obligations, and shareholders' equity. This report supports strategic financial planning, budgeting, and long-term decision-making. Next, let's explore the profit and loss statement. This report measures the organization's operational performance and profitability. Finance teams can monitor total revenue, cost of goods sold, expense, and net profit from a single centralized report. Interactive visualizations display quarterly comparison of revenue, cost of goods sold, expenses, and net profit. Revenue and net profit trend analysis. These visuals make it easy to identify seasonal trends, monitor business performance, and understand the drivers behind profitability. At the bottom of the report, intelligent insight cards automatically highlight revenue growth, gross profit and margin, net profit and margin, expense ratio, profitability trends, and financial performance summary. These automated insights allow decision-makers to quickly understand business performance without manually interpreting multiple charts. The detailed profit and loss statement provides a month-wise and category-wise financial statement, enabling users to analyze total income, total cost of goods sold, and total expenses across different reporting periods. This report helps management monitor operational efficiency, control expenses, improve profitability, and identify opportunities for business growth. Cash flow is one of the most important indicators of an organization's financial stability. The cash flow statement provides a complete picture of how cash moves throughout the business. Cash movements are categorized into cash at beginning, operating activities, investing activities, financing activities, and cash at the end, allowing you to clearly understand where cash is generated and how it is utilized. The report also includes cash flow activity distribution and monthly trend analysis. These visualizations help management identify cash flow patterns and evaluate long-term financial sustainability. At the bottom of the report, intelligent insight cards summarize cash generated from operations, investment activities, financing activities, net cash movement, liquidity position, and overall financial sustainability. These insights provide executives with a quick understanding of the organization's cash performance. The detailed cash flow statement offers a category-wise breakdown of all cash flow activities for the selected reporting period, alongside the previous year's performance. Where you can analyze operating cash flow, investing cash flow, financing cash flow, retained earnings, cash flow variances, and percentage changes. Conditional indicators immediately highlight increases and decreases, while the ending cash balance provides a clear understanding of the organization's liquidity position. This report enables management to improve cash planning, optimize investments, and make informed financing decisions. Every report within the Finance app is fully interactive. Selecting any chart automatically filters and updates all related visuals across the report, enabling powerful cross-analysis. Interactive tooltips provide additional information instantly without leaving the current page. Drill-down functionality allows users to move seamlessly from summarized financial information into detailed account-level transactions, making it easier to investigate balances and understand the underlying data. These interactive capabilities significantly reduce manual reporting efforts while helping finance professionals answer business questions more efficiently. The Finance app delivers significant value by providing real-time financial reporting directly from Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, interactive dashboards for faster financial analysis, automated reporting that eliminates manual report preparation, complete visibility into financial performance and profitability, accurate balance sheet, profit and loss, and cash flow reporting, executive-level insights for faster and better decision-making, secure Microsoft authentication with seamless Microsoft ecosystem integration, a centralized financial analytics platform for the entire organization. By bringing all financial information together into one intelligent application, organizations can improve reporting efficiency, strengthen financial control, and make confident, data-driven business decisions. Thank you for taking the time to explore the Finance app developed by Shreeji SoftInfo Consultancy LLP. Built on Microsoft Power BI and seamlessly integrated with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, the Finance app transforms financial data into actionable business intelligence. Whether you're monitoring financial performance, analyzing profitability, tracking cash flow, or supporting executive decision-making, the Finance app provides the insights your organization needs to succeed. To learn more about our solutions or schedule a personalized demonstration, please contact Shreeji SoftInfo Consultancy LLP. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Power BI and Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central solutions from Shreeji SoftInfo Consultancy LLP.